Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we dissect and review the latest gadgets and gizmos to help you make informed buying decisions.
I'm your host, and today we have something exciting to discuss: the Lovpo 4K video camera. Let's kick things off with an overview of what this camera has to offer. The Lovpo 4K video camera is a feature-packed device designed for vloggers, content creators, and amateur filmmakers alike.
With its 48 megapixels Ultra HD resolution, 18x digital zoom, and 3.0 touchscreen, this camera promises to capture stunning visuals with ease. Now, let's dive into some of the key features that set the Lovpo 4K video camera apart from the competition.
One standout feature is its Wi-Fi connectivity, which allows you to transfer and share your photos and videos directly from the camera to your smartphone or tablet. Plus, with the included remote control, you can easily operate the camera from up to 50 feet away. But how does the Lovpo 4K video camera perform in real-world scenarios? Well, I'm happy to report that this camera delivers on its promises. The 13.0 megapixel CMOS image sensor ensures crisp, true-to-life video footage, while the built-in microphone and external microphone jack capture clear, high-quality audio. Whether you're shooting vlogs, interviews, or family gatherings, this camera has you covered. In addition to the camera itself, the Lovpo 4K video camera comes with a range of accessories to enhance your shooting experience. From the lens hood and handheld stabilizer to the included batteries and remote control, everything you need to start filming right away is included in the box. Plus, with features like webcam functionality and HDMI output, this camera offers versatility that's hard to beat. So, what's the verdict? In my opinion, absolutely. With its impressive features, solid performance, and included accessories, this camera offers excellent value for both amateur and aspiring filmmakers. Whether you're just starting out or looking to upgrade your gear, the Lovpo 4K video camera is definitely worth considering. And that wraps up today's review of the Lovpo 4K video camera. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.